Assalamu alaikum, students. So today we will discuss the MCQs regarding the male reproductive system. Okay, so first of all, the scrotum. MCQs regarding the structure of the scrotum. Where is scrotum located anatomically? So posterior to the rectum, behind the pubic symphysis and between the thighs, below the pubic symphysis, behind the thigh, below the pubic symphysis, in front of upper thighs and behind the penis, above the inguinal canal and anterior to the bladder. So correct answer is below the pubic symphysis, in front of the upper thighs and behind the penis. Now next is the pigmentation of the scrotal skin is a result of pigmentation of scrotal skin is result of no anywhere in the body the pigmentation is due to increased melanin. C, increased melanin in the skin. Increased melanin in the skin. Correct answer is increased melanin in the skin. Now the MCQs regarding the testes. What is the male reproductive gland that is functionally equivalent to the ovary in the females? Prostate gland, epididymis, penis, testes, or seminal vesicle? So the correct answer is the testes. Testes are suspended in the scrotum by the vas deferens, Pempniform plexus, spermatic cords, epididymis, tunica albuginea. So testes are suspended in the scrotum by the spermatic cord. Which of the following correctly matches the testicular covering with its origin? So there are three coverings which cover the testes. Tunica vaginalis, derived from the abdominal muscles. Tunica vaginalis is derived from the abdominal muscles. Tunica albuginea, mesothelium. Tunica vasculosa, derived from gubernaculum. Tunica vaginalis, derived from peritoneum. Tunica albuginea, derived from neural crust. So tunica vaginalis, it is derived from it is the fold of the peritoneum, which covers the testes. So this is the correct answer. Tunica vaginalis derived from peritoneum. What is the function of tunica albuginea in the testes? So to secrete testosterone, to produce sperms, support the blood supply, forms fibrous septa dividing the testes into lobules, and they contains Leydig cells. The correct answer is the forms the fibrous septa dividing the testes into lobules. Descent of the testes into the scrotum is usually complete by which time? So it is usually before birth at the 8th month of the intrauterine life. Before birth at the 8th month of intrauterine life. Which of the following layer is innermost layer of the testes? So there are three layers I have told you. Outermost is the tunica vaginalis, while middle one is the tunica albuginea, and the innermost is the tunica vasculosa. So innermost is the tunica vasculosa. Testes develop in the abdominal cavity during fetal life, especially behind. So at what level the testes are developed in the fetal life? In the abdominal cavity. Behind the bladder, inside the inguinal canal, in the pelvic cavity, below the kidneys in the lumbar region, in the posterior mediastinum. So it lies below the kidneys in the lumbar region. It develops below the kidneys in the lumbar region, and later on the testes descend into the scrotum through the anterior abdominal wall. Which of the following structure within the testes is the site for spermatogenesis? So the structure in which the spermatogenesis occur in the testes is the seminiferous tubules. The interstitial cells of lining of testes primarily produce which hormone? That is the testosterone. Then each testis contains approximately how many lobules? So there are 200 to 300 lobules in each testis. Seminiferous tubules are located within. Seminiferous tubules are located within lobules of the testes. They are not located in tunica and albuginea. They are not located in vas deferens, not in epididymis, not in rete testes. They are located in the lobules of the testes. Which hormone stimulates sperm production in the seminiferous tubule? This is the FSH, which stimulates the sperm production. The interstitial cells of Leydig are responsible for secreting which hormone? That is the testosterone. This MCQ is, I think, repeated. The long coiled tubule that stores and matures sperm is the epididymis. So the function of epididymis is to store, and the maturation of the sperms occur here. And they also acquire motility here in the epididymis. The head of sperm contains mitochondria for motility, Golgi body for lubrication, lysosomes for defense, nucleus and enzymes for ovum penetration, and ribosomes for protein synthesis. So the correct answer is nucleus and enzymes for ovum penetration. Mitochondria in the sperm are mainly located in the, so mitochondria in the sperm are located in the middle piece or body of the sperm. Tail of the mature sperm cell functions primarily to. So what is the function of the tail of the mature sperm cell? It stores genetic material, it secretes testosterone, releases enzymes, provide energy, propel the sperm forward. So the correct answer is the to propel the sperm forward. Why are the testes? It provides energy. It provides it propels the it causes movement and propels the sperm forward. Why are the testes located outside the abdominal cavity in the scrotum? To increase testosterone level, to protect the abdominal pressure, to maintain a cooler temperature for spermatogenesis, to facilitate hormone diffusion, to avoid immune complex exposure. So the correct answer is to maintain cooler temperature for spermatogenesis. So the other portion I will cover it in the next video. Thank you.